Hi guys, today I have come up with a technical solution that is switching your mobile phone's home screen from portrait mode to landscape mode. You guys would have switched your menu settings and some other screens to the landscape mode, but you wouldn't been able to switch that home screen to the landscape mode, and I have got a solution for that guys. This solution probably works for Android 8 and above, that means Android 8, 9, 10, and sometimes it may work for Android 7. Okay guys, now before moving on to the video, if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever my videos are out. Let's get in. Okay guys, now you might see that my home screen is in the portrait mode, and I'm gonna go to my notification panel and switch it to the auto rotation mode or the landscape mode, and you might see that my home screen wouldn't switch to the landscape mode. And now I'm going to another menu, like I'll go to the settings, and you might see that now my screen automatically switched to the landscape mode. And now I'm going back to my home screen and see it won't switch to the landscape mode. And the solution for this is, what you have to do is just go to your settings and scroll down to until you find display and click on display, then scroll down, then click on home screen, and in the home screen you will have a couple of options. In that you have to choose rotate to landscape mode, this option. See, rotate to landscape mode. Once the description for it, rotates the home screen automatically when your phone's orientation changes. That's it guys, just turn it on. And then now go to your home screen and try rotating your screen. See, now it automatically switched to the landscape mode. This works for Android 8 and above. Sometimes it works for Android 7. That's the solution. I hope you guys liked the video. If so, then don't forget to hit that like button and share it with some of your friends, because they might also get to know that there is a thing like this, and give your opinions in the comment section, because your likes and comments motivate me to do more videos. Thank you for watching guys. See ya.